Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius Build. This is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to clear all the cats and junk from your Windows 10 and 11. So mostly in all the other videos which you have seen, they would only teach you one method, but in this video I'm just going to teach you 4 methods where you can clear all the cats and junk in your system entirely. And after you do all the steps which I told in this video, your system would be a whole lot faster. So first of all, you would need to open this run. So in order to open this run, what you'd have to do is type on the Windows plus R key. If you just type the Windows plus R key, you would open this run option over here. Now just type temp over here and just click on OK. If you just click on OK over here, you will be taken to this place. This is all the temporary files and logs over here. You can just select all and permanently delete it. And if you want to permanently delete all the items, what you have to do is you need to use the shift plus delete button. Just see now we're seeing that are you sure you want to permanently delete this 162 items. But if you just press on delete, it will just be delete it and go to the recycle bin. But don't worry, you can just press on the shift plus delete to permanently delete everything. Now some of the files may not get deleted because it may still be in use. Like right now I am using this system and I am using some of its applications like OBS to record my screen, and in the background Google Chrome is running. So those logs may be written in this file folder. Now just close it, just click on skip for everything. Now once again press this Windows plus R, there is a run command. In here search for prefetch, F-E-T-C-H. Just search for prefetch. It would ask you for the administrator access. Just click on continue, and once you click on continue, it will take you to this folder. This is the prefetching folder. Just make sure to delete everything. Again you can just click on the shift delete. Nothing would happen if you just delete everything too. Now again just open the run command. In here just search for %temp. This will take you to the temporary folder where all the applications temp is located. Now this folder would be occupying about 2 to 3 GB of your system. So this is one of a folder which contains all the temporary junk files. Just once again select all and just click on the delete. See, there are 1736 items. Well, it's a whole lot, right? As you can just once again delete everything. See, there were nearly 3 GB, more than 3 GB space was occupied by this temp folder. Now I'm just deleting everything. Just remember, all the cats would be located in this temp folder. So if you just clear it, all the cats would be deleted. Just make sure to skip, do not click on the try again option for the remaining items, because these are the temporary files which are in use by the application, such as OBS may be writing something over here, Chrome may be writing something over here. I'm just waiting for it to end. Yeah, it's done now. Now the final fourth method is going to be open the run once again. In here search for clean mgr, CLEANMGR. This is the disk cleanup. I have only one disk with me, that is Windows C. So it just took me directly over here. If you have 2 or 3 disks, then it would ask you on what disk you need to clean up. You can just make sure to select everything. Recycle bin. Oh, okay, there's a whole lot of things in the recycle bin. A lot of thumbnails. You can just choose which you want and choose which to delete. And if you just click on OK, everything would be removed. This is the easiest way. As you can see right now, my recycle bin has been cleaned. This is the easiest way to clear all the junk and cats in a Windows 10 or 11 device. So guys, I hope today's video was useful to you. It was useful to you, just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video, and do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button. It is subscribe button if you want more such videos. Well, it's me Surya Prakash from Protech signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.